Happy day students, welcome to San Academy Pallikaranai, Class 6 Mathematics. Our chapter 12 is Data Handling. Data handling refers to a process of gathering, recording, collecting and presenting information in a way that it will be helpful to others. And we can present that information in the form of a chart, tables or graphs. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to represent a data using tally marks. Before that, let us learn few terms in this chapter. The first is data. The word data means information in the form of numerical figures. So whatever information we are collecting, we will be collecting it in the form of numbers. Next, raw data. Data obtained in the original form is called raw data. The information what we have collected is called as raw data. For example, you can see here the age of 6 teachers in a school are 35, 27, 34, 29, 30 and 28. So this is the data we have collected from the school. Age of the teacher is the data we have collected from the school. So even if in a class, if suppose someone is asking how many number of boys and how many number of girls are there, means the number what we are getting is called as raw data. Next is array. Arranging the numerical figures in an ascending or a descending order is called an array. The given information or given data you can either arrange in ascending order or you can even arrange in descending order before tabulating the numbers. Okay. Now let us see what is meant by tabulation of numbers or tabulation of data. Arranging the data in a systematic form means in a proper form in the form of a table. You can arrange the given data in a proper form in a tabular column. So it is called as tabulation. As you see here, the marks and the number of students are arranged in a tabular column. So you can see here marks, it is below 20, below 40, below 60, below 80 and below 100. In the next row it is given as how many students got how many marks below 20. So arranging a given data in a proper tabular column is called tabulation of data. Then observation. Each numerical figure in a data is called an observation. We have already chosen an example like age of 6 teachers in a school. So the age of each and every teacher is called as observation. The first teacher age is 35. So it's a first observation what we got from the data. So like each and every numerical figure is called as observation. Next, frequency of an observation. The number of times a particular observation occurs is called frequency. Suppose if more than one time if the same thing is repeating, for suppose the age of 2 teachers are 35 means then we have then the frequency of that number is 2. Okay, so that's the frequency of observation. Number of times the same thing if it is repeating in an observation, then that is called as frequency. Next, let us see an example how to tabulate the given data using tally mark. So let us take a question. Given below is the data showing the number of children in 20 families of a colony. So these are the number of children in each family. Okay, 2, 1, 3, so it goes on. 20 families, number of children is given. So what is the first thing we have to do? We have to arrange it. Either you can arrange in ascending order or you can arrange in descending order. Here I have done in ascending order. So how many one is there? One means in that particular family they have only one child. So you have 5 ones, means in 5 families they have only one child. And we have 7 twos, which means 7 families are having 2 children in their home. And we have 6 3, which means 6 families have 3 children in their home. And finally there are 2 fours, which means in 2 families you have only 4 children. So this is the meaning of the data which is given. Now we are going to tabulate it and with the help of a tally mark. So first observation. So observation means how many ones are there, how many twos are there, how many 3 and how many 4. What is the number we are having? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the maximum observation we have here. So so we don't have, apart from 4 we don't have anything. So we can stop 1, 2, 3, 4. Tally marks. So tally marks means for counting purpose we are using tally marks. After putting 4 tally marks vertically, we put a cross as shown. And again we take the tally mark in the same manner. For example, you can see here we have 5, 1 means 4 vertical line and the 5th one we have to represent in the cross. You have to cross it. So 5. And then you can see there are 7 twos are there. So after 5 you repeat the same. So 6 and 7 for again to represent 6 and 7, again you draw two vertical lines. So you have to represent the tally marks in such a way, after drawing four vertical line, the fifth one should be taken as a cross one. And if you have more than 5, the sixth one should be again drawn as a vertical. So all the multiples of 5 should be crossed out. So this is how we should tabulate a given data using tally marks. So that's it. We have completed our chapter 22. I hope you all understood how to arrange the data in using the tally marks. Thank you so much, students.